So myself, Sebastian Varghese. So today we will see about a short story on myself first. So I was born and brought up in a place in Mumbai. Okay. Then I started my life as a young boy there and stayed around 28 years. And you know the house where I stayed was a mud house and then a stone house. So you may think, what is this person talking? Yes. And then after that the house collapsed in the young age, and then we stayed in a tent house, like a plastic house. Later on the builders built the house and we went into a house of concrete house, and the size of the house was 10 feet by 10 feet, that is 100 square feet. Okay, this is the mathematics in here. Now why do I am telling this thing? As a young boy, put yourself in my place and you will see, and this is a rented house, and you will see that how it feels to be in such a house. And this same desire, this fire made me to keep moving. And the dream, you may know what the dream is. The dream is to have a house, to have a permanent address. Only this is the dream. I can see only this, and this dream helped me to study so hard that when in my engineering I went up to reach a distinction, not only first class with a distinction, and right after the final examination, did not wait for any examination result. I went straight away. In the third day after the examination, I joined a job, and from there on the journey begins. Work started around a dream of 20 plus years, and today 2000, and at the day of 2014, around 6 years back, I accomplished the dream of having a permanent address in this place of Kerala with 1500 plus square feet. So you can know this achievement, this why, the desire you should too have. So the story I told, because you too should have a why you are here in this class, or why you want to join the defense force. Why? What is the deep driving desire? Write it down, put it in the paper. Write when you see this dream. See the dream when you open the eyes. Keep the dream so burning that it should leave out your sleeps. It is not this dream which you see in your sleep. You have to come out of that. You should see the dreams with your eyes open and work as hard as possible to achieve it. And that is where I come to one point on Mr. Arjunan. From the Arjunan, when he was asked where did he shoot the arrow, he said that I shoot it on the eyes of the fish. So you see the word eyes of the fish. He could have easily said I shooted it at the fish, but no, he said he shooted at the eyes. So what is that meaning? The meaning is focus. You have to focus. You have to permanently focus. Where? Focus on less amount of things you focus, and achievement is yours. How do you achieve? That is through the desire, through the why. You answer the why, the purpose of your life, and why do you want to be here, or why do you want to be at that position. Achieve the goal through direction. Keep perfect pain of discipline. There is a pain of discipline in achieving this goal, but the sweeter the victory. More the pain, the sweeter the victory. So what you should do? You should drive out the distractions, and you can see a book in my hand, Wings of Fire. This guy, our most respected Sir APJ Abdul Kalam, when he was at your age, he too tried to be in the Indian Air Force. And you want to know his story about, I'll just give a para from here. He talked to Mr. Swami Vivekananda. So what did Swami Vivekananda said to this young chap who at that time could not qualify for Indian Air Force? And he told these words. It is written here, desire, when it stems from the heart and spirit, when it is pure and intense, possesses awesome electromagnetic energy. This energy is released into the ether each night as the mind falls into the sleep state. Each morning it returns to the conscious state, reinforced with the cosmic currents. That which has been imaged will surely and certainly be manifested. You can rely, young man, upon this ageless promise as surely as you can. Rely upon the eternally unbroken promise of sunrise and of spring. You know both the legendaries, Swami Vivekananda and Mr. Our late APJ Abdul Kalam. Both of them had a place in the page in the histories. So from our family side, we say all the best for the defense force. See you in the defense force. Bye.